Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix YouTube music not playing in background, lock screen and battery setting fix. Fix 1. Check YouTube Premium status. You just have to open the YouTube Music app, then tap on your profile photo. Then select paid membership, verify that your account status is active. Fix 2. Adjust battery and background setting Android. Navigate to setting on your device, select apps from the menu. Find and tap on YouTube Music, tap on battery setting. Choose unrestricted to allow the app to run without restriction. Fix 3. Enable background app refresh iOS. Open the setting on your iPhone, then tap on General. Scroll down and select background app refresh. Then ensure the toggle for YouTube Music is switched to a on position. Fix 4. Clear app cache Android iOS. Navigate to setting, then apps, then YouTube Music. Tap on storage and cache. Select clear cache. If issue continue, choose clear data. Note, this will require re-downloading offline music. Thanks for watching.